Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. A couple minutes late here today. Trying to work on some new updates and things for the Discord channel. But welcome back to the channel. The Trading Phoenix here, where we go live every day trading within my challenge account here through Funder Pro. You guys are watching me trade live. No cuts, no edits. Everything's legit, real. And I'm doing this for a couple of reasons. One, to keep myself in check. And two, so that you all have some place to go where you can actually see the real story behind trying to become a profitable, funded, full-time day trader. Not just the cuts and edits of all the good trades and this and that and whatever. Full transparency here in this channel. That's what I'm about. Wins, losses. I explain everything, how I'm feeling, what's going on at the time of the trades. And yeah, so I'm here to build a community of like-minded people so that we can learn, grow, and become successful together, and then eventually help others do the same thing. That's my goal. All right, so if you guys are interested, I will drop my link to my free Discord in the comments in just a few minutes. Market just opened about a minute ago. Got some chop pre-market. Some talk this morning about some unease in the economy and in the markets because of the tariffs that had just been implemented. Canada is fighting back with their tariffs, placing tariffs on the U.S. And then I guess some tariffs went out onto Mexico and China as well. And according to Trump, they've been in talks with Mexico, and they're having good, successful conversations, while Mr. Trudeau from Canada is retaliating, I guess. So we're gonna have some chop, I guess, this morning is what it looks like because of that. All right, in case what I'm working on right now is setting up a free daily update that's going to post on my Discord every morning around 8 o'clock. That is going to give you market sentiment. I'm working on trying to get key levels, and this is all for the NASDAQ. That's all I trade is NASDAQ. So I'm looking to set that up for the NASDAQ right now. But if I can get this working and consistently truthful, which is the problem, is getting the accurate and current updates, then I'll start adding some updates for some other markets, I guess, maybe crypto, whatever. Or let you guys tell me what you guys want for updates. But I'm going to set that up so that comes out every morning before market open, so we can all get an idea of what the market sentiment is for the day based on futures. That's what I'm trying to set up. Key levels, turning points, market movers or pre-market movers, things like that. Let me drop a link in the comments here for my Discord. All right, so there's the link for my free Discord. Like I said, just building a community of like-minded people that want to learn and grow together, so that we can become successful together. Shoot off ideas towards each other and kind of have some nice conversation. Learn. If you're somebody who is already successful and profitable, please join also and help everybody within, and we can all grow and become successful together, and then help others do the same thing. Right? This is a fantastic way to change your lifestyle. Freedom, freedom from time, freedom from work, and freedom of place. You can do this anywhere in the world, pretty much any time of day, and live a wonderful, wonderful life with your family and or whoever you want to bring with you. It can really change people's lives. So my goal is to, obviously first become successful and consistent, and then help others do the same thing. So just like I suspected, get a little chop this morning. Pretty big gap to the downside over the weekend. When markets opened back up last night, we were significantly lower than where we closed Friday. And I think that had to do with all the tariff, news and stuff that came out over the weekend. So I just marked out what will be the 15-minute opening range. Obviously, I'll adjust it if we continue on to the upside here. But this the area that's highlighted is the first 15 minutes of the morning after market open. Volatility index, once again, is above 100. Seems to be the theme this year so far. All right. See if I can work on getting these updates working while I'm watching here. That's not what I want. Very clear push to the upside so far this morning. Volatility index is starting to drop.
Are you live?
Yeah, what's up?
Allergy medicine or cold medicine?
Probably the cold medicine.
All right.
All right, so we're just about finishing up the first 15 minutes here. right, basically getting a full retracement here after the first 15 minutes. So what we're looking at right now is either a break and retest of the lower levels here to consider going short, or the opposite, a break and retest of the higher levels here, making new highs for the day to consider going long. See what the rest of the market's doing so far. Oh, wow. It's all red. It's just one big, it's just one big page of red. Let me show you guys here. Yep, that's it. It's just red, 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 red. Nvidia's down 5.2%. Apple, Intel, Tesla, Amazon, everybody's down. Some of these companies report earnings this week. I believe Amazon, Palantir, it's this week. Wow. Okay, well, there's that. All right. We're definitely in a volatile environment right now. The VVIX being above 100, and we're maintaining. We're sitting at like 109 right now, and you can see that just by the candles, the wick sizes on every single candle, opposite directions. This definitely shows volatility and choppiness. All right, let's copy this. Let's go here. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Copy that. Save. Okay. Looks like we're still getting some downward pressure here. All right, so we're testing market open low. So we did not break below market open, or the low of market open yet. I hope this isn't going to be one of those ranging days. I'm kind of tired of those. Are you guys tired of those? I know I am. I don't want to see it anymore. VVIX is still increasing, so we're getting some sustained volatility. All right, so nice strong push off of market open lows here. Break in structure. Strong push still. volatility. So once again, we're in an environment that it's not really suitable for day trading here. Too much volatility. The VVIX is still climbing. We're at just about 112 now. Well, anything above 100 shows that we're in a volatile environment. So for me, it's a use caution sign. Be careful with your trades. Your stop losses are at risk. Is it 10 o'clock? Yeah. Okay. So, all right. So there's our break below. Let's see if we close below. All right. That update looks okay. We might be good here. Okay, so breaking close below market open lows. Let's see if we get a retest. All right, so we did not hold below market open lows yet anyway. All right, let's talk about what's coming up this week as far as news. Okay, so this morning we had the S&P Global Manufacturing PMI final. Let's see. ISM Manufacturing Employment came out this morning. ISM Manufacturing PMI came out this morning. Everything pretty much at expectations. Oh.
Can Paige show you her hair?
Yeah. So we did get a retest here. The problem is this following candle is not as bullish as I would like. And with the volatility, I got to leave some decent room. But I think we are going to get a continued move to the downside here. Just want to let this play out a little bit more. I'm just not convinced yet completely. So back to the news tomorrow. Tomorrow we have JOLTS, okay, at 10 a.m. Eastern. So there's your market mover tomorrow. Wednesday, what do we have? We have ADP employment change. Wednesday, we also have S&P Global Composite PMI final, services PMI final. We have ISM services PMI at 10 again. The ISM services PMI is a big deal. Let's see. Thursday, we have our normal continued and initial jobless claims. And then Friday, we have payrolls. We have government payrolls, manufacturing payrolls, non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate. So we got some data coming out this week. So we might have a little bit of a choppy or volatile week, especially with the tariffs news. It looks like it might play out to be one of those slow weeks again. All right, yeah. See, this is why I didn't want to jump too soon on this here, because we just, we don't have a direction yet, which is the problem. My trading strategy is based off of trading, imbalances, and with a volatile market, you don't get any of that because your wicks are taking everything out, candle by candle. So there is no opportunity to look for imbalances in the market. It's just too choppy. You get huge move, up, huge, followed by the exact opposite, which fills everything. So there's just no opportunity anywhere here. You could have called this one here actually, and we did wick into that and then had a move down. I didn't catch that one, but yeah. Honestly, I wasn't even paying attention. That's my bad because I was working on the automatic daily update in my Discord. So that's my bad. See, I'm here for you guys. I want to make sure you guys get your news. Yeah. Let's see if we make new lows here. We're getting a little bit of resistance here, but we're looking bearish still. Let's see what the heat map looks like. Still all red still. So although Nvidia, Apple, Tesla's still pushing down. Nvidia had a little bump back up, but that's probably just a normal retracement. So it looks like we're going to be bearish today. We're just bearish with high volatility. So let's see if we can find another setup like this. If I were to trade this before, if I was actually paying attention, you have 1, 2, 3 bearish candles here that broke structure, leaving behind an area of imbalance there. We had the market come back up in and almost fill the entire thing. So the problem with this here, though, I don't think I would have taken this anyway, because you got to wait for the candle close, right? So we wicked in here. Candle closes here, which is what my entry would have been, but now we're pretty far from where the stop loss would be. Stop loss is outside of, or just on the other side of this area of imbalance. So pretty wide stop loss, and within a market with such volatility today, this is not a good setup for a trade, especially with these large candles, large wicks. So yes, the setup was here, but it's not a good setup. This is definitely like I don't know, a D minus setup maybe, just because the volatility is giving you such large range as far as where your stop loss would be, where your entry is. So even if I did get into this trade and we had a decent push down here, we're only at a 1-to-1 right now. And yeah, we're continuing to push down. But again, your volatility is up. There's nothing that says that you're not going to just bounce off of this support that we just hit and head right back up to the other side. So not a good setup. Just no entries here yet, We are getting continuation to the downside, so I'm okay with that. It looks like the sentiment today is bearish, which is fine. So I'll look for shorts, but it's got to be the right setup, especially in a day like today with the volatility. It's got to be the right setup. And we left a large gap between Friday afternoon and this morning, right? So at some point, too, those orders need to be filled. All right, so I hope that I have the update set up now pretty well. I have to wait until tomorrow morning to see how it grabs new data. And then we'll go from there. I'm hoping that this works out for everyone. And then if it does, then I'll set up some other updates too for the crypto market. Maybe I'll do one for the S&P as well. I trade the NASDAQ only. But I know, you guys out there trade all kinds of things. So maybe I'll do one for Forex also. If you guys want, just you join the Discord, leave some messages in Discord about, what you guys are looking for updates. And I'd like to set that up for everyone. And, we'll put them in different channels maybe, so it's all separate, and you guys can have a free market update every day before market open. All right, cool. I think we're good there. Okay. Let's see here. We're basically at where we opened this morning or last night, however you want to, for previous sessions open is right about where we are right now at these levels here. So let's see where we continue. VVIX is still climbing. Which tells me that supports and resistances are less likely to hold also, right? That's another way to look at your VIX or your VVIX is if you're above 100, your levels are less likely to hold. So we do have a little area of imbalance here that we did wick up into about halfway. We're sitting on the support. I mean, you could maybe take a short here. We came back up and retested. Just the problem with today is the volatility is going to take your stop losses out. It's just unless you give yourself a huge range, leave yourself a lot of room, and even then, the chances of your stop losses getting taken out today are pretty good. Pretty good. So I'll hang out for a couple more minutes here, guys. It's really not much going on today. If something changes, we'll make plans based off of that. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. Help me out here. Those of you that have subscribed already, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you guys. The channel is growing pretty well. I'm really happy with it. So thank you guys, because that's on you, right? I appreciate all of you that have subscribed so far. Let's continue the momentum. Help me out. Share the channel if you guys can. Again, appreciate it. I got links in the description below for the software and a link for who I use for a funded account. That's Funder Pro. And this is the challenge that I'm currently in. You guys are watching that live. Look at this, right? See, this is what I'm saying. You can't, even if you even if you doubled your stop loss here, you just got taken out, Crazy. Anyway, thank you guys again. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. I'm here for you. Whatever you guys are looking for, leave it in the comments, and I will do my best to accommodate everyone. And yeah, subscribe, share, like. Again, much appreciated. Link in the comments for my free Discord. You guys join me there also, and we'll, like I said, we'll grow a community of like-minded people that are trying to become successful as a trader, and then we can help others do the same thing. All right. So, hey, be careful today. Be super, super patient, and I'm talking to myself more than I'm talking to you guys. Do not get into anything that isn't rock solid with your strategy. All right. Be careful with the volatility today, and I will see all of you tomorrow morning. Have a great day, everyone.